Emojis started in Japan in 1999. It is combination of two Japanese words, E that means picture and moji that means character, as we have characters on keyboard. So picture character. But emojis now are used as full words, not a single character. Emojis were launched by a software company in Japan, and now they have become part of social media communication across the globe. Emojis are pictograms, digital images of our feelings, ideas, events, actions, and are single characters where on our mobile keyboard. And when you write messages on mobile, you see they automatically appear in your message, or you can select them. So they are used as full words these days. I would explain how. Then we have Emoticons, emotions plus icon. So this is blend of these two English words. Emoticons, they are also like emojis. Their function is the same, but they use, instead of pictures, they use punctuation, as these two examples show at the end of this slide. You see faces in form of punctuation marks, colons and brackets, right? So first is sign of happiness, the other is sign of sadness, and so on. Then we have infographics, information and graphics. This is blend of these two English words. So they are icons which you see on motorway signposts, or in signposts in your campus, etc. Emojis are born out of these two. These two means emoticons and infographics. And then another form is stickers or GIFs. So the difference is that they are moving. Stickers are moving sometimes, and they are offshoots, a product of emojis. Emoji meanings can change with time. Their meaning is not fixed. Same is the case with verbs, with words of English language or any other language. So as words change meaning over time, so emojis change their meaning over time and vary from individual to individual with reference to their use. That's why they are a kind of idiolect. Idiolect is a person's personal style of communication. So that's why, because of this variation, there is no standard dictionary of emojis still available in the world. But recent situation is totally changed. These days you may find books which are word-based, but they have been translated into emojis. They have been emojified. For example, if we have a sentence, I love you, so they would translate it as the first emoji of I, aankh wala, and then emoji of red heart for love, and then emoji of a person whom you love, that may be emoji of a boy, of a girl, of a pet, etc. So we conclude from this introductory talk about emojis that they have developed from punctuation and infographics. First, they were introduced in Japan. They have been recognized these days as an important part of social media communication.